BMW 635 CLX by Carlex. Today, let's wrap up with a gem from the talented team at Carlex Design. Feast your eyes on their breathtaking transformation of a 1986 BMW 6 Series Coupe into the exquisite BMW 635 CLX Limited Edition, the inaugural model of Carlex's collection of 7 classic BMWs. Their focus? Primarily on the interior, or especially aged leather and Alcantara upholstery reigns supreme. Handcrafted dashboard details add a touch of bespoke luxury, while the Blaupaunt Bremen SQR46 DAB stereo, cleverly disguised as a cassette player, surprises with Bluetooth support and a hidden USB connector. Though engine specs aren't explicitly listed, rest assured it retains its original power of either 182 or 215 horsepower. What's more, the suspension gets a modern update, promising a sportier yet still comfortable ride. For those who appreciate fine craftsmanship, Carlex Design values their work of art at around $138,000. A small price to pay for the timeless elegance and superior quality infused into every inch of the BMW 635 CLX. Porsche Panamera Limousine. The Porsche Panamera Limousine seamlessly blends performance and elegance, delivering a dynamic driving experience complemented by modern conveniences and luxury amenities. Its sleek design and powerful engines ensure an unparalleled journey for every passenger, combining sportiness with refinement. This unique vehicle represents the pinnacle of Porsche's engineering prowess, offering a luxurious and exhilarating ride that exceeds expectations. With its emphasis on performance and sophistication, the Porsche Panamera Limousine elevates the standard of luxury transportation, appealing to those who appreciate a thrilling yet refined travel experience. Can-Am Outlander 6X6 Lastly, there's the Can-Am Outlander 6X6 a unique 6-wheel ATV designed to conquer any terrain. Powered by a Rotax engine, it offers versatile drive modes and exceptional off-road capabilities, making it suitable for exploring diverse landscapes with confidence.